Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use auto scroll on TikTok very easily. So as you can see, I'm now on TikTok, and if I want to use auto scroll, I need to hold down my screen. So I need to hold it, and here you see report, not interested, save video, clear display, and you see auto scroll. And when I tap on auto scroll, as you can see now it's enabled. And when I play this video and I scroll or I skip this video all the way to the end, let's do this, and when I at the end, as you can see, it automatically scrolls. Same for this video. Now because it's a photo, it doesn't work, but on videos it does. So as you can see, when this video is over, this video will be skipped, and I will see a new video, as you can see right now. So that's pretty good, pretty cool. So I hope this video is helpful. If so, please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.